So I recently got a question. Let's move on to the question. Tips for betting on comparative keywords. When we launched, we set up Facebook ads and Google. Week one, we were getting leads at $3 average from Facebook and over 320 for Google. We post Google and just focused on Facebook. However, we are now keen to try Google again. The average CPC was $14.40, so very high, and resulted in basically zero leads. Okay, so you are saying it's 320 per lead over here, but here you are saying we got zero leads. Okay, so any tips? Our landing page is fantastic. We have A/B tested it from the Facebook traffic, and it's performing very well now. Okay, so first of all, try to understand the difference between Facebook traffic and the Google traffic. There is a huge difference. The main difference is because that the Google traffic is search intent traffic, highly intent. When someone is searching a particular query on Google, they are thinking to buy that product or service or use that product or service. So the intent is very different. While on Facebook, you do not visit Facebook to buy something, but rather you visit Facebook to browse something. However, the Facebook works with your thinking intent. What kind of a content you like to see, what kind of a content you want to see. So but you are actually not looking for that thing on Facebook, but suddenly you see an ad, something you were interested in. So the intent is different. You go on Google, you were interested in that thing, but on Facebook also you are interested, but you are not looking for that thing, and suddenly it appears on your wall. So try to understand the difference. The second thing over here, you are trying to say that you are trying to bid on comparative keywords. Okay, while it may seem a good idea, but practically it's a very poor approach, because as I told you that the search intent is different. When someone is searching about a particular brand or service, he actually want to buy it, and we have personally tried it on a lot of clients, and we didn't get a good result on targeting on comparative keywords. So which is why I do not recommend it as a good bidding strategy to target on comparative keywords. Eventually you will not get good conversions. This may be a good idea to target on comparative keywords when you are doing brand bidding or brand awareness. When your sole goal is to get brand awareness, then it can be a good way to get traffic, but not for sales. Try to understand. But rather you can look for other keywords. Search what your competitors are targeting on. Look around for those keywords. Go with your product or service name keywords, reviews, discount, promotions, whatever you are trying to promote. So these are the things. Also, the landing page, I have seen cases where we have to create a different landing page for Facebook and Google, but I have seen a case where we worked with the same landing page with both. But in my opinion, I think that a different landing page need to be created for Google and a different one for Meta or Facebook. So I hope this answers your question. And in case if you need a professional Google ads, Facebook ads, or Meta or Bing or anything, we are a full-fledged digital marketing agency, and we help clients with web development solutions as well. So for either of the service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.